Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a bar stacked chart in VBA Excel. So to create a bar stack chart we require the sample data as shown on the screen over here. So first what we are going to do is we are going to see the output of a chart, and then we are going to have the deep explanation and the understanding about the code in VBA which has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started with the output first. So as you can see that this is our output of our bar stack chart in VBA Excel, and now we are going to see what all codes has to be written in VBA Excel to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create a bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So the first step which we are going to take, or we are going to type inside this code, is to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is our data and this is the single cell which I have selected by writing range e5 dot select. After selecting a single cell, what I'm going to do is in the next line I'm going to type this line of code which will help us to create a bar stack chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what this line does. What we are going to do is we are going to type active shape.shapes dot add chart 2, and in the brackets what we are going to do is we are going to type certain parameters by separating each parameter by a comma. So the first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. So each and every chart has its own value, and for this video, for this chart which is Excel bar stack chart, we have the chart value of 2. After that we are going to give what type of chart we are trying to build. So we are trying to build a bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So to create a bar stack chart we have to give the type name as Excel bar stacked. Remember, we have to type Excel before the chart type. After that we are going to give the top, left and width parameters to position and size our chart. After that what we are going to do is we are going to close the bracket and we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this line of code, your chart will be created, and then what we are going to do is, so only your chart will be created, but to make it more presentable we are going to use this width block code. So let's see what this width block does is. So first we are going to type width active chart, and below that we are going to type dot hash title equals to true. So what this will do is this line of code will ensure and inform the VBA that we have a chart title, and in the next line we are going to give what should be our chart title. So to give or specify our chart title, in the next line we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and inside the brackets we are going to type not inside the brackets but inside the double inverted comma we are going to type bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So once you have written this line of code, your chart title will be assigned to your chart over here. After that we are going to set some elements inside our chart. Let's see what are they. So the first element, so we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data label show. So this line of code will help us, not this one, this line of code will help us to show the data labels. As you can see, each and every data bar inside our chart is labeled. Each and every series is labeled inside our data or inside our chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines inside our chart. Let's see how we can do that. So for removing the grid lines, we are going to type dot set element in the next line, and then beside that we are going to give this parameter, which is MSO element primary value grid lines none inside the brackets. So once you have written this line of code, your grid lines will be removed from your chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to create this table with the legend keys. As you can see, our legend keys are on left of our chart, and this is the table which is created inside the chart. So to create this table inside the chart with the legend keys, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have given this line of code or written this line of code inside your VB editor, inside the with block, your data table with legend keys will be created. After that, as you can see, we have the data table and the data for each and every series has been labeled, so we don't require the value access over here. So to delete the value access, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot access. Inside the bracket we are going to type excel value, and outside the bracket we are going to type dot delete. Once you have written this line of code, your value access will be deleted. And after that, what we are going to do is we are going to type end within the next line. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a bar stack chart in VBA Excel. And one more thing, as you can see that we have selected our chart while creating at the beginning of this video over here. So to deselect our chart, we are going to select any single cell or any empty cell inside our worksheet so that our chart gets deselected. Now if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. And if you want to learn more about the chart series in VBA Excel, then please do visit to our channel VBA Coder and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.